Hey, what's up, guys? Want to do another portfolio update today. Didn't do too much. I had to go handle some personal things, so I wasn't able to get in right at market open and show you guys kind of the trades I opened up. But I'll do a little recap for you here. If you haven't already, go ahead and smash that like button. Wait for the Easter egg that I'm going to hide later on in the video for the comment section, and please subscribe if you already haven't. So today, pretty much my portfolio is relatively flat, kind of spiked up this morning. I think this is kind of riding the high of the debt ceiling being done and the likelihood that rates won't be increased, but kind of returned back to baseline here. Got about $9,434 now in the portfolio. I did open up a covered call on plug at the $9 strike. I did it right at market open whenever it spiked up. So it's sitting about so I got a $25 credit, sitting about $12 right now, so that's perfect. Hoping this will end up expiring worthless. I'll probably get a little bit more aggressive with this, should the stock continue to fall, to make some additional income. If you see here, like I said, 25 bucks, not too bad. Still have the GROI call open, should expire next week. Still watching this 3 options play. 1479, what I need it to do, I need it to go down to about this 1350 strike in order to maximize profits. I think the estimated max profit on this is $75, which I sold it for $30. So I'm hoping that ends up playing out, but I still have, about 2 or 3 weeks for that to kind of materialize. Ended up getting an early interest payout, so that's why you see this reduced down to 8 cents, but overall, still got about the same cash balance, about $500-600. We're seeing a drop in cryptocurrencies. I think that's due to the SEC filing that report to kind of bring, criminal charges against the Binance founder and CEO with SEC violations. So I'm thinking that's why we're seeing this kind of crypto dip. Overall, again, the market's relatively flat. VOO kind of down a little bit. But pretty much not too much action going on right now. Next week is going to be the potential rate hike or not. So I think this week will kind of be a little bit dead. I'll end up doing the kind of continued buys that I always do, the daily buys. Kenvue kind of took a dip this morning, which is kind of to be expected. I think their IPO price opened up at about $22. But, I ended up buying in around about 25.70 something. I didn't catch the opening right when it happened. But again, for the long term, I'm very bullish in this stock. I think that anything with consumer products will just, continue to go, because no matter what happens in a recession or not, people still buy soap, they still buy toothpaste and personal care products, Band-Aids, Listerine, etc. Glad I ended up selling out of this Republic First Bank. If you notice here, I sold out about $1.30, and here it is about $1.16. If it goes back to around that 70 cent area that it was when I picked it up originally right here, I might end up buying back in, and should have sold here at the top, but ended up selling right around here for a quick double up. SoFi is a stock that I'm kind of playing in my mainstay portfolio. Potentially going to open up a position here, with the debt ceiling conversations being concluded, etc. It looks like they might stop the pause on the student loan pause, which would mean that student loan payments will have to resume. And I think SoFi will be a huge benefit to that. They help people consolidate debt, and they're huge in the student loan business. They're a pretty good fintech, overall. I mean, they have a lot of investment services and products, high yield savings accounts, brokerage accounts. They originate loans for, I think, multiple different things. But again, I think the student loan pause or potentially being lifted is why you're seeing kind of a bounce up here. End up being, almost about 7% at the open. And here we are about 2%. I ended up getting my shares called away from me in my mainstay portfolio, which might create an opportunity for me to create that video that I've been wanting to do for a cash secured put. So I'm going to see kind of how the week plays out, and might transfer over some money over here to be able to run that strategy over here and make a video for you guys. But other than that, like I said, not too much movement today. I'm going to end up doing another video about my experience with the Robinhood Roth IRA soon too. If you're still here in the video, please comment health. health is your wealth. And here on this channel, we're building our wealth, whether it's through stock market investing or through preserving your wealth with gold and silver. But wealth or health is wealth. And so make sure you're taking care of yourself. Make sure you're getting your routine checkups and, eating healthy, taking your vitamins and minerals and doing this such. Again, guys, I really appreciate all the support and love I've got here at the channel. I'm up to 307 subscribers, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. And hopefully the content is serving its purpose for entertainment, as well as to open up a dialogue. Feel free to comment anything you want in the comment section, and I do pretty good about responding. Sometimes I'm a day or so behind, but overall, the main goal of this portfolio or this YouTube channel is to not only, document my process, but also kind of show how I personally would be building out a stock portfolio from scratch. And that's kind of what I'm doing here, right? And again, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of the stuff I'm going to post on here is financial advice. But sometimes you have to see people either make mistakes or make some winning moves in order to kind of take that first step and jump off. I don't usually pitch this too much, but if you go down in the comment section, I do have an affiliate link for Robinhood. If you do sign up, we both get a little bit of free stocks. So I would appreciate if any of you guys that don't already have a portfolio would sign up there. If not, like I said, smashing that like button, commenting, and just watching the video is good enough for me. Appreciate you guys. See you on Friday.